I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by validating prerequisites so nothing blocks the process. First, check your Android version and whether the device uses gesture or button navigation. This affects how assistive touch overlays behave. Once done, enable developer options if the app requires debugging or overlay permissions. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap Build number 7 times. Then install or update the Assistivetouch app from the Play Store and grant accessibility and display over other apps' permissions so the service can run correctly. Now you configure the app's core behavior so it integrates with your phone. Open Assistivetouch and explicitly grant accessibility and overlay permissions, then exempt it from battery optimizations. Otherwise, the OS may kill the service. Next, customize the floating menu. Add home, back, recent, screenshot, and any macros you use frequently. Make sure to adjust button size, transparency, and touch delay to prevent conflicts with system gestures. This tuning reduces accidental activations and improves reliability across apps. Finish by verifying Assistivetouch works everywhere you need it. Test in several apps and on the lock screen, exercising gestures and hardware buttons to ensure the overlay responds. If the icon is missing or unresponsive, re-enable display over app permission, clear the app cache, and reboot. These steps resolve common overlay issues. Finally, make sure to re-grant accessibility after major system updates and disable aggressive battery or auto-restart behaviors that can stop the service. This single tip prevents most recurring failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.